How to set up Deepseek for Janitor AI. Now, it's just a couple of steps that you need to do so that you will be able to do this whole process. It's very easy. So first is open up your Janitor AI's official website. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, before setting up Deepseek for Janitor AI, you need to check first if the specific chatbot that you're trying to interact is enabled for proxy or allowed for proxy. To do so, just simply access the current chatbot you would like to have, and then scroll all the way to the bottom part of this page, and this is where you can check it. Make sure that proxy allowed for that chatbot so you can set up your DeepSeek. Next is to open up another tab on your browser and go into openrouter.ai, okay? And create an account. It's totally free. Now, once you have fully logged in into your account on OpenRouter, all you have to do next is to go into this magnifying glass and search for DeepSeek. Now, there's going to be a lot of results here, but simply choose on your preferred version of or the specific model you want. So, say for example, we'll choose on v3.2, click that in, and then go back into your Janitor AI. And from here, just simply head straight and scroll all the way down to the bottom part of this page again, and then go on continue latest chat or continue chat with the chatbot you would like to interact. Now, at the top right, you should be able to see three lines. Click that and choose on API settings, choose on proxy, and then choose add configuration. From here, your configuration name should be the DeepSeek that you've chosen or the specific model that you've chosen on OpenRouter. Paste it, and then go back and copy the information right here, which will serve as your model name. Now, for your API key, you just have to go back into OpenRouter, click this three lines, and then go to keys. Now, click on Create API Key, and then name your chatbot, say Testing 101, and then go on Create. Now, this is going to be your API key. Copy it, go back to Janitor AI, paste your proxy API key, and then your custom prompt will be actually optional. Click on Add Configuration, and once you have successfully saved it, it will show here. Now, it will be indicated as using proxy if you have fully activated it. Just refresh the page and you're done. And that is how you set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI.